workspace.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we got a super surprise today. So I've been working on this for a while and we finally got accepted and finally got the key. So now we're about to move into a bigger shop and now we can do bigger things instead of being in the small shop. So I'm going to show you guys what the shop looks like and before, and then today we're going to paint and try to get it as best as possible. But this video here will be a whole bunch of stuff mixed up, basically the G35 also, where we at with that, and just right now today I'm gonna be just doing, me and my boy Alex is gonna be painting the shop and just basically getting the shop ready and getting ready to put some lifts in there and just get to work. So I can't wait and I'm on my way there now. See you there. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? We back and we just got to the shop. So now let me show you guys around, and Alex is in there painting already, so let me show you guys what's going on. So this is the shop. This is dark, but this is the shop. This is the kitchen area that we're gonna make, and sink. This is the offices. This is one room. This is another room. I see Alex in here vacuuming. It's a little dirty bathroom. Got Alex right here. So we just chilling. We about to get to work. See you guys later.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Herbie with halfamillautos. We back. We at the new shop. It's a mess, but we getting there. We are getting there. Me and my boy Alex is cleaning. It's a mess. Check it out. We got cabinets all over, couches. We got everything going. But we're painting the floors over now. We got the lights on today. So got Alex over here. So now we're doing the floor. We had did it clear over the gray, and we had brought the wrong clear, so I guess it started pulling up the old yellow that was under this. So it looked a little yellowy, but we're just gonna continue to keep it like that. We just put some more clear on top, and we're just gonna keep layering it on. But yeah, that's where we at right now. We just cleaned the shop, painting it. We're gonna put the lift up and just get this thing going. Like, can't wait. We got some cool neighbors next door. They do vinyl wraps. I don't know if they have anything cool right now outside. Let me put my sneakers on so I can show you guys some cool stuff next door. Cool Subaru. There's some wide flares on it. It's next door neighbors. They do some wraps. They got a little nice anime kind of style. JDM. Some wide body on there. It's cool. That's nice. And that's it. The whole parking lot is so big. There's all car stuff, so we fit right in. So look, I'm driving drop top E46 3 Series that I have for a little bit. Just taking it for a spin. Needs a freaking mirror cover. I hit a bump and it came off. I don't know where it went. So whoever has it, I'm gonna need that back. So that's what I'm driving. We're just gonna continue to paint and just basically clean. We almost ready. We finally got the lights on today. And let's just get it going, yo. So much projects in store, so much projects in store. Show you guys Alex spreading this clear skin. Starting to get a little sticky looking, right?
Yeah. Spread your shit.
It's looking like it's drying up or something, right?
Huh?
Looking like weird, like it's drying or something, right?
What?
Like it's drying or something. Well, that's how it always was.
Nah, it's not, it wasn't a stick like that.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's spread.
So it's coming out nice. Yeah, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with this wall. This wall's old. We're gonna put a TV right here. You got the couch, little kitchen area. New shop alert. Just wanted to show you guys that. Peace.
6.5 hours later.
And today I'm gonna be unboxing some stuff that came in the mail for the G35. The wrap came in, the wrap finally came in. So right now we have the wrap here, and we also have another package here. So this is the bodywork so far that I did so far on it, and I just gotta sand it down some more and finish up with that. So I'm gonna be doing the finishing touches of the sanding, and I still have a whole side that I didn't finish yet. So I will be getting to that today also. But for now, let's unbox and see what color wrap we have here today. Oh man. So let me see, hold on. You guys can see right there a little bit, but vivid vinyl. Should just open it from the bottom. Let me get my razor. So this is the color that we went with. We chose the purple because nobody gave me no option, so we went with the gloss purple for it. You guys can see. We want a gloss purple, a nice gloss purple, vivid. And also we have some taillight tint, for the taillight, some smoke with a hex design on it. So that's what we're gonna use also. Let me see how it looks. Dang, it's tight long. I didn't think it would be this long. Wow, so we got a roll of the hex tint, and I'm gonna use some of this for my Ram also. So for the taillights, probably do the smoked hex also. But it's nice, you see that? Look at the details. The hex, and look at the purple. What you guys think? What you guys think? The purple on the G35 is perfect, right? And then I gotta get some rims for it, and then we go from there. So, oh yeah, let's open the next box. So now we have another box here. Set you guys up once again. Let me pack this up. So it won't get dirty, because I'm about to sand some more, so let me put it in the office. And let me come back and show you guys the next package that we have here before we start. Came in the mail. So, you can guess what this is so far. If you can guess what it is in the comments below. You can guess what this is in the comments below. Let's see. Second package, we have, aftermarket grill, perfect. This is matted black. I'm not sure if we're gonna paint it gloss, but I gotta see. I gotta ask Diz what he wanted to do, what we should do. So it's like a mesh grill. I'm really not a fan of the mesh grill, but this is the only like cheapest one they had. Like the OEM one is crazy expensive, like $200. So we just went with this one, and this one is cool. We can paint it gloss black if anything. So that's it for that. So that's the only two packages that came in for it today. That's the two packages, and now I'm about to get into the bodywork and try to finish this bodywork up because I've been doing so much other things and I'm moving to a new shop, so it's just been crazy. The shop is like all over the place and just it's about to be empty, and all my tools and stuff like that out of this small shop into a bigger shop for now. But let's get into it. I'm gonna do a time lapse and show you guys what I'm about to do to this side to get this ready and prep for a primer. Yeah, so I just finished that side, Bondo in the side. Probably need another coat or two maybe, but that's how it came out for the first pass. And now I'm gonna continue on to probably straighten out this hood, probably with a block and 320, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And I just gotta fix this corner also. These corners, I have to Bondo right here a little bit and sand that down and get this straightened. On this side is almost ready, like needs a little more work, but you get the point. This I just have to block that down some more, so that's what I'm gonna do now. My hands are so, look at them. Look at my hands. Oh my God. Touching all on the camera. It's crazy. I'll put you right here real fast. Let me put the grill on. So let's see how the grill looks. We're gonna put the grill on now. But hey guys, before we put the grill on, if you're new to the page, like, subscribe, comment below, ask me questions, let me know anything you want to ask, just let me know. I want you guys to like, subscribe, comment below, get me to 100 likes for one video. Let me see if I can get to 100 likes. If we get to 100 likes, I might do something crazy in the car. Just like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. If you like what you see, if you're new to the page, thank you for watching. If you're a regular to the page, I appreciate you for watching my videos consistently. And thank you, I appreciate you. And let's continue. And let's put this grill on. So now I got some clips on it. This is dirty. Let me see if I can clean this up. Sand in it. Sand in it still. Fits on, so fits on perfect. I think it's a little off. So it fits on perfect. It's so easy to put on. That was it. Basically, I just need some clips. I know I have some clips around here somewhere. So one second, let me see if I can find some clips. I have some clips right here. These should be fine. Let's see if these work. Let's see. These clips should work. These clips might be too big, maybe. I know the original grill had to have some clips, so let me see if the original grill had clips. These might be the clips right here. Who knows? More clips, see. Original grill clips. Clip right there. So I don't know about that one. This one, let's see this one. So some different clips. That might work. That might work. I guess that's it. I guess you just with 4 clips. That's it. It's on. So that easy. The grill went on. So the grill is on. So the new grill is on. What you guys think about the new grill? Let me know if you like it or not. Some mesh grill. See if you can see it from the side. bodywork needs to go down a little more. So we definitely got to sand down a little more right here. But for now, getting this all dirty. Getting a new grill dirty already. Who cares? We can wash it or paint it. But check it out. So we got the grill done in like 5 seconds. The grill just placed right in. That's so easy. Sturdy too. So the grill is in. Now we just got to continue the body work and continue. I don't know if this is hard yet. Might need time to dry. See, that's the thing, like, this Bondo needs time to dry. It should dry fast. I don't know, depends on the weather, but I don't know. I gotta wait for this Bondo to dry. See, I can tell it's not dry yet. So in the meantime, I just gotta work on something else. I guess I gotta hit this again, I guess. Hey guys, so that's all for tonight. Tonight, I'm calling it a night because it was already late when I came here just to work on a little bit of the car. Just a wrap up of this video is gonna be just a bunch of stuff mixed up. Basically the new shop involved and also a little bit of G35 put together. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And thank you for watching and subscribing. I appreciate you guys once again. And I just wanted to ask you guys what you think about the purple. Is the purple a good color? Like what color rims we should do? We should do some black rims. Let us know, because that's the next step of what we're gonna do to it. And then if I get 100 likes on this video, I'm gonna I'll probably straight pipe it and see if we can get some flames out of it. Something crazy like that. So like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, like the video just so we can get 100. If we get 100 likes, I'll straight pipe it and we'll see if we can get some flames out of it, out of the exhaust. So let's see if I can straight pipe it and see if we get some flames out of this exhaust. So thank you, and I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.